मेरा आपसे निवेदन है कि यहाँ से ऑक्सीजन अगर हो सके तो हमें हवाई जहाज से उपलब्ध करवाई जाए, और नहीं तो जैसा अभी बताया गया आपका आइडिया है ऑक्सीजन एक्सप्रेस शुरू करने का, वो ऑक्सीजन एक्सप्रेस शुरू करके वेस्ट बंगाल और उड़ीसा से हमें ऑक्सीजन दिलवाई जाए।
आइडिया नहीं, ऑलरेडी चल रहा है।
सर दिल्ली तक नहीं पहुंच पा रही हमारी, दिल्ली तक नहीं आ रहा। उसमें अगर हमें दिल्ली के लिए भी कॉरिडोर मिल जाए तो आपकी बड़ी मेहरबानी होगी सर। आपने 2-3 जगह तो कर दिया सर, आपके इंटरवेंशन से मुझे पता चला। एक दिल्ली के लिए और करा दीजिए सर, यहाँ की हमारी 100 टन ऑक्सीजन उधर से आनी है।
Let's go across to my colleague Megha Prasad joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Megha, can you put things in perspective for our viewers? Because this, I believe, was something that was being discussed during the meeting of Prime Minister Narendra Modi with the chief ministers of various states and union territories.
Yes, Hina, you just allow me the time to put the entire thing in perspective. Just a short while ago, there was a live output that all the channels got of Mr. Kejriwal speaking. To be very honest with you, even I was confused as to how at a time when he's supposed to be in this closed door meeting with the Prime Minister, there's a live output coming out of what he's speaking. I mean, one could not even sort of guess at that point in time that this was coming from actually inside the meeting that the Prime Minister is currently holding with the Chief Ministers, which is not supposed to be televised like this. It is a closed door meeting where the interactions between the Prime Minister and the Chief Ministers are kept within that space. How was that all of a sudden there on TV? Because the output was given to the channels. Now we are being told, now that there is a bit of a clarity of what happened, we are being told that the government the government now tells us at the center that this entire speech was made televised without their knowledge. They had no idea of what Mr. Kejriwal had planned, and this entire speech actually was meant for it. It seemed like a political speech. It didn't seem like an interaction between two one head of a state, the chief minister and the prime minister. It actually did seem like a speech that had a tinge of politics in it. To keep saying मैं हाथ जोड़ रहा हूँ आपसे, मैं प्रार्थना कर रहा हूँ, हमें ऑक्सीजन दिला दीजिए, etc., etc. I mean, when you're having a business-like communication with the prime minister and the chief minister, you're supposed to discuss the technicalities there. Anyways, what we are now being told is that the center has taken a very, very dim view of what has happened. There's an instant reaction coming in from the center. They're saying that Kejriwal has descended to a new low, and for the first time this has happened. For the first time, the private conversation of Prime Minister with the Chief Minister was televised live without the knowledge of the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister's office, the center, had no idea what Mr. Kejriwal had planned, and this output was given to the channels. Even channels did not sort of realize where it was coming from. This was actually from inside the meeting. The meeting is still on, and you can hear the Prime Minister button and say that, yes, we have made this arrangement. And then Mr. Kejriwal sort of defends saying, yes, you've done this, but we want you to do this a little more for us. So Mr. Kejriwal clearly knew that his speech was going live on channels, and that's how they had planned it. But then this is not something which can actually be acceptable, Hina, to be very honest. I mean, no chief minister does it. No chief minister has done it. Whether it's the chief minister from the opposition party or the same party, they've never seen anyone do this. How do you, all of a sudden televise your speech? And it's not a speech. It's supposed to be a meeting with the Prime Minister. How did you, from closed door meeting, allow this to happen? And the Prime Minister had no knowledge of what was happening. I mean, this is a breach of trust. To be, to put it bluntly, it's a breach of trust, and something like this is actually descending to
sources
a very
in the government, right. So sources in the government suggesting that this is clearly a breach of trust, as Megha is telling us. Megha, like you're saying that something like this has never really happened, and you're right, because as far as COVID era is concerned, ever since it came last year, there have been a number of meetings over the issue of coronavirus between Prime Minister Modi and the chief ministers of various states and union territories, and we've not really seen something like this happening ever in the past. And also, till about yesterday, the Delhi chief minister himself was thanking the centre and Delhi High Court for sending oxygen to the national capital. But today, we just heard in this clip was something else.
So the point here is that, see, at the end of the day, whatever Mr. Kejriwal said in the meeting or had to say to the Prime Minister, he could have easily just repeated the same thing later on for the media if he had to, but not from inside the meeting. From inside the meeting with the Prime Minister, the other chief ministers sitting, and there is, some sort of a decorum that needs to be followed, some discipline that needs to be followed, and there's a code of conduct which is there when you're sitting with the Prime Minister. If at all you were so keen on getting your speech televised live as to what you're telling.
Right. Okay, I think we've lost that connection with Megha Prasad. We'll connect with her in just a bit, but that's the big story at this point in time. And it seems that there is some kind of politics. That's what the sources within the government are indicating. Not really happy with the way the conversation that's happening between the chief ministers and prime minister in this high-level meeting, especially of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, was allowed to be televised, was given out for the channels to really pick up. We will be tracking this story closely ahead as well. Heading into a short break, more updates on the other side. Stay with us.